The language and the music and the dance, the living heritage, is the base where I start from. And I judge everything from what I learned in that. It's either clouded or it's made clearer from having that as my foundation. That is my foundation. And my interpretation of other music, of other languages, of other ways of life starts from what I learned here. Tógan ni bhíonn sorum leis an Ngaireann, leis an Geol, leis an Ríoch, leis an Gaeltacht. Agus go ball muosan sa sinné chiimad na machna, sinné fuil mo héal. Is a sin ha me bra, an tógan sin. Agus cuiníim go minic má bhí mí raim, cuiníim siar rudí gála muos an chórsan nó an bhíntid. Sé mo héala, ní an mreachtar na eile, ní bh fánar an mreachtar na eile.